In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change weight in Strava app. Keeping your weight up to date in Strava helps improve the accuracy of things like calorie estimates and cycling power estimates, so it's a quick update that can make your training data more useful. Start by opening the Strava app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in and that the app has a moment to load your profile and recent activities. If you haven't updated the app in a while, it's a good idea to do that before you begin so everything looks and works as expected. Next, tap the profile icon. You'll usually find it at the bottom of the screen. This takes you to your profile page where you can see your name, stats, and recent activities. From here, look for the edit icon. Depending on your device, it may appear as a small pencil or an edit button near the top of the screen. Tap that to open your profile edit view. Now scroll down to the bottom of the edit page until you see the weight field. Tap the weight section to bring up the input field and keyboard. Enter your current weight carefully. If you're seeing kilograms or pounds and want the other unit, that's controlled by your app's unit preferences, so just enter the correct number for whatever unit is shown. You can use decimals if needed, like 72.5, or round to the nearest whole number. Either is fine, but consistency over time will give you cleaner trends. As a helpful tip, consider updating this value whenever your weight changes meaningfully, such as after a training phase or a few weeks of progress. Keeping it current ensures your calorie burn and performance estimates reflect your most recent data. If you notice unusual calorie totals in your activities, double check that this field is accurate. Once you've entered the new number, tap Done. On some versions, this may be labeled Save or appear at the top right. Wait a second to make sure the change is applied, and then you should see your updated weight reflected on your profile. If you use Strava on multiple devices or on the web, give it a moment to sync. That's it. By opening the Strava app, heading to your profile, tapping the edit icon, selecting the weight field at the bottom, updating the number, and tapping Done, you've ensured your training data stays precise. Thanks for watching, and keep your profile details current so your workouts tell the real story of your progress.